Today we're gonna eat
Mukbang.
random mukbang. Like them. The one we're watching.
And then we have little rice.
Yeah, because we get ubus.
That's mine because I already
Get it first.
Oops.
Oopsie.
Buwan absent eh.
Ito.
Mas maluwit yun, isang buwan absent.
Pinapa-pull out na ng perpetrator. Sabi mo, pull out na daw. Ginagawa niya!
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Huwag mo ilagay dyan sa ano. Ang dumi-dumi dyan eh.
No, not there again.
Kumuha ka plato. Huwag dyan sa upuan. Naglalay down dyan si Blue, si Q. Tapos ilalagay mo yung food mo dyan. Eh di puro germs. Ako ba?
You get a plate there, small plate.
Siya kasi mag-video daw. And I'm gonna eat. Hmm? Oh. Put your...
Yeah, I will get the spoon so we can cut it.
Hmm? Ah!
Yun. Powder.
I ate two.
Okay, maximum. This is mine. This is my third one. This is yours.
Okay, I got this one. The spoon. How do you ubus it? That was fast.
It's okay, it's okay.
Listen one. Listen one.
Put it here. Dapat here, this one because this kanin already na. Uy! Hinuhulog! Oh no! Ah, it's there! Yeah!
Ew. I just step on it.
Yuck! Wait, I'll put it here lang. I'll get rice. Mom!
Oh. Mom. Mom, I'm going to this one.
Video ko kasi. Uy! Hulog naman.
Buti meron ka pa niyan. May seaweed ka pa.
Sama. Uy.
We have noodles.
Waxon, export.
No!
Oh, okay, that's mine instead. Oh. Guys, look at that. Ay, mali. Okay. Oh, uy,
And I have noodles, guys. This is yours and this is mine. Look. Oh! Freaking books. It's right. Wait. It's right this way. See? Hey, you can see you. You can see you there. That's yours. Yours is the seaweed rice and mine is the noodles. Okay? Oh, this.
OA mo na, Morn.
Ano OA? Where did you learn that? The OA.
Because you're overreacting.
We're acting? What does that mean? So we're acting.
OA, like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Boy.
No! No, I'll dip. That's the sauce. Okay, that one. Oh! Ayan na.
Uy, tignan mo, oh.
Wait. This one is sauce. There, that's much better.
Nice dish and yours.
It's the noodles. But it's a lot. That's
No,
okay.
but I want to put noodles inside.
Try it.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay. Thank you.
Now let's put rice
Yeah.
to make a sushi.
Sushi.
Oh, look at that. So amazing.
Ah!
Oh.
Yo, it's so amazing. You put noodles in there. I put them. Is it yummy?
No.
This is yummy. Ooh. Oh, it's so hot.
It's really hot. Wait. Oh, iba naman yun.
Ayun, chill.
Paikot mo yung...
Ikot mo, Maxon.
Ikot mo sa... Ano mo?
Wait. Pop. And that's the last seaweed.
And that's mine.
Yeah, that's yours.
Maxon, look at this. You grab. Ah.
I'll try to use noodles without no rice. Wow. Yummy. Okay, I'm gonna get more seaweed, but you eat this.
Your voice.
My voice, I don't know why my voice is like that. Like a grandpa.
So hot.
Oh, yeah, see? We'll get some.
He doesn't like to eat the soup, so I'm gonna.
And then we have ricey. Big one? Okay, the big one is right here.
One.
The big one.
Can I have some?
Sure.
Paikot mo yung...
Hindi sa akin yan.
Tutulo eh.
You ikot it daw. Like this, oh.
Sa ano mo?
Like this, oh. Like that.
Ang init yan eh.
Hindi yan mainit.
Maubos yan.
Hindi, you just get a little and then you do like that. Blow mo na lang. You have ubo or sipon, Maxon? You have ubo?
Hey, let me try.
No, it's wet. Nagmumukbang kami.
Mukbang kayo.
Habang nanonood ng
Sinaiit.
mukbang.
Yes, sir.
Almukbang din.
I got like them all. The videos sila them.
Kasama mga chimpanzee. Going for the 2, 1, 2. You put it here na lang kaya, so it won't. Oh,
Bro, the noodles is getting bigger.
looks like this.
Ah,
Yeah, ay.
nahulog.
Did you hear the sunog in our house?
No.
There, oh.
Where?
There.
There?
Yeah, upstairs. I have some too.
What happened?
Kahapon.
Ano, ako na. Ako na.
There was sunog.
Wait lang pa. Mukbang pa rin.
Mukbang pa rin.
Sama mga chimpanzee.
Walang may iwan. Pasuyo mo yung mga aso sa baba.
Oh. Ubus-busok mo ha.
Makakasama ka ba talaga? Pag hindi ako dyan, nag-isipawi naman yung pagpunan si Mami na iiwan dito.
Yeah.
No reaction.
No reaction.
Look at the mozzarella. Look at the mozzarella.
There is mozzarella.
Yeah. Oops. Wait, magsama ka to. Ayun na. So little na. Eh! Ano na? Idulog this. Wait. Ayun o.
Hey!
Oh.
So yummy.
Wait.
Aray ko!
Banamar?
Can I try?
I'll help you.
Ew. Is Ate Aliyah there?
No.
Not yet pa. Almost na. Wait, let me check the time. I was just burping.
That's all yours. Oh. I'll put it.
Bro!
Uy! Hindi nakita! Kasama mga chimpanzee.
Bless you.
Going for you to 1, 3.
Parang mo hindi mainit ka. Nakahamon mo lang ng makisip. Tapos magaling ka sa ulit, sayang. Yung sideboard na nakawawala.
Wait.
Kaya lang, yung pagkatapos, pagkaubos sa video. Nagagawan mo.
Mukbang.
Friends, it's me. Today we're going to be checking out some TikToks that are worth watching. You want to go get bread? She better be here before I finish scanning. You want to get bread? There's a lot of forbidden memories. This is how anxiety started. You just wait on the line, mother, like, sit here. I forgot something. A lot of things that were very scary when you were younger make a lot of sense when you get older. You're several times to realize how did you do that? CEO could have dropped his croissant. Oh, so smooth. Yeah,
What's it doing?
Show what you do real quick. Show what you do real quick.
I'm really glad you did something for a second. I'm like, ooh, they didn't even get us jobs. What were you trying to show me? And then, it's supposed to knock the pins down. Not yourself, you fool. Make sure you press the brakes. My car coming to a slow and steady stop. My mother is watching this right now. She does this every time. She walks out to the bars like, you gotta be careful. Mothers, they are fragile.
Alright. You guys see this thing that just came in my bunion bag.
What?
And this thing was like this.
Oh!
Boy,
That was big.
They forgot to cut it. The forbidden uncut onion. It makes me wonder, does it all start out as a tube and they just become that way?
Bye-bye.
Is there even